Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix a leaking pressure valve. So I drained the water heater, and because of that I had to put the pressure valve, open the pressure valve, and then I closed it. Now if you see, water is dripping. Once I flushed my water heater and put the valve back into its original position. What is going on? I don't know. So let's figure it out. So this is my water heater. What I did in the morning was I turned off the cold water valve. I put a hose here and unscrewed this one, so water was not coming out. So I have to open the pressure valve. Since after I put it back, I am seeing this leak. If you see, there is a drop by drop leak, and it is completely ruining things. Let's see if I can fix this, or I have to replace this. So what's happening here? Oh man, did it stop completely? Okay, let me check. I'm still getting it drop by drop. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Looks like the drops are going slow. Wow, it's almost coming to a stop. That's amazing. That is amazing. Still I could able to see one or two drops. Let me clear that out. Let us see now if you can. Wow, that's amazing. That is so simple. Oh my God, awesome. I became a plumber, so you can. Let's wait for a couple of minutes more. All right, I still see something. Probably it's the residue of water which was there in the pipe. Let's see, let's wait for another 30 seconds if that stops, because if you see here, I did the water drain morning and I went out and it's completely made my water flow a lot here. Okay, looks like it's been fixed and you don't need to replace the TNP valve. All right, so as you know, what we did is this one will have some residue buildup, and normally you use this once in a year, 2 years or 3 years. So it has a spring inside, and the valve has to go and lock itself inside. So that's why we do, when I did it multiple times, it's kind of went and blocked it. So normally in the morning what I did was just I pulled it up and I just left it. So there was a minute gap, so it's very small gap creates that drops, and since the drops were falling so much, it is created a mess out here. Now since I did multiple times, so it loosened and went and latched itself, so there was no gap between the valve which actually blocked the water from flowing. All right, so there's no replacement needed and no plumber needed. You just fixed it yourself. So hope you like this video. One more time, final time check. No water coming, so no plumber. Save bucks, don't call a plumber. Bye.